Here are some essential tips to help you master Dekton overhangs. Dekton slabs come in 12mm and 20mm for worktops. The 6mm thickness is only for cladding walls and furniture. For worktops without cutouts, this is how it works. With a 12mm thick slab, you can have a full-side overhang of up to 25 centimeters. If you want an overhang of up to 50 centimeters, you'll need to add brackets or other support. For shorter sections, you can go up to 20 centimeters without support. When using a 20mm thick slab, you can extend the full side up to 50 centimeters without support. For partial overhangs, go up to 100 centimeters using additional support. And for shorter sections, up to 40 centimeters without support. Now, if your worktop has cutouts, like for a sink or hob, the rules change slightly. The overhangs are the same, but the distance from the cutout to the edge must be at least 10 centimeters to avoid cracks. You can get Dekton's mesh-backed slabs for increased strength and larger overhangs. A mesh-backed 12mm slab can support up to 30 centimeters, while a 20mm can go up to 60 centimeters. Also, keep in mind the load capacity. Dekton can hold up to 100 kilograms occasionally, but you should never stand on it or place heavy items on the overhang. If your overhang exceeds these limits, you'll need additional support like brackets or legs. And if you have multiple cutouts, consult a professional for extra reinforcement. So, what's the maximum unsupported overhang for Dekton worktops? For 30mm thick Dekton, it's up to 30 centimeters. For 20mm thick Dekton, it's up to 20 centimeters. Remember, exceeding these guidelines means you'll need additional support. I hope this guide helps you plan your perfect Dekton worktop overhang.